Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve New York Times Hard Sudoku, May 13, 2022. Column H, column I, V of 6. Sixth row also V of 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H and 8th row we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 5, 7. Column J, we have 1, 5, 4. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in the 3 cells. Then only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, second row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Second row, we already have 1. So it can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row and 7th row, we have 7. Column E, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Third row, then column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. Column I, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 3. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 7. 4th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8. Column E, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 1. 10th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells. Column E, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in any one of the two cells. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C and 3rd row, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the two cells. 4th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, only one number remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this row, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Third row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this row, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Third row, we already have 9, so 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Fourth row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this row, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.